Welcome to the GWM IRONMAN 70.3 Melbourne. Lock in this race date, Sunday the 13th of November 2022. City racing at its best. Melbourne, the sporting mecca of Australia. Bars, cafes, restaurants, a big city vibe. St Kilda, located 10 minutes from the heart of Melbourne, will play host to the 2022 race. Here at Catani Gardens, start line, finish line, transition, athlete check-in, all here in St Kilda. Get ready, get set. The GWM IRONMAN 70.3 Melbourne. Your transition on race day here at the beautiful Catani Gardens will open up early. My tip, use this time to get yourself prepared for a great swim, bike, run experience. Nutrition, hydration, your helmet will all come with you to the transition on race morning. Get yourself organised. Hey guys, if you are feeling a bit nervous, it's normal. Take a breath, relax, and get yourself ready for your adventure. When you are ready to go to swim start, please make sure you take your street gear, including your bike pumps, with you to the bag drop area. Preparation is the key. Race day is yours. Have a great day. Out of the transition on race morning, a short 5-minute walk will see you land right here at the iconic St Kilda beach. St Kilda Pier in the background, St Kilda Bars is the start of the 1.9 kilometre Roka swim. My hot tip for the swim is the rolling start. Seed yourself according to your estimated swim time. It will make your swim that much easier. Here in November, the water temperature at the beautiful Port Phillip Bay will range from 16 to 20 degrees, so make sure you pack your wetsuit. Out of the 1.9 kilometre Roka swim, you'll have a 400 metre run to T1. Why do we call it T1? Simple, it's the first time that you're in transition in race mode. This part of the race, your heart's beating, adrenaline's flowing, so you need to control those feelings. My advice is when you're coming from the swim, get your wetsuit rolled down to your waist, ready for when you get to your bike. At your bike, start by taking your wetsuit off, putting the helmet on. Then we take our bike to Beaconfields Parade. My hot tip for the transition, take advantage of the transition tours the day before to understand the flow of the transition. By doing that, your day is going to be so much better. Leaving the transition, you'll go out onto one of the most iconic cycling routes in Australia. That's right guys, Beach Road is all yours. Leaving St Kilda, you'll ride through Elwood, Brighton, Black Rock to the turnaround at Mordialloc. However, don't let this low elevation course get the better of you. Stick to your race plan. Make sure you have enough gas in the tank for that 21.1 kilometre run to the finish. After your 90 kilometre bike, you must get off before the dismount line before you come into T2. T2 because it's the second time you've been in transition in race mode. Here is something really important. Remember your row number, remember your race number, because your bike must be racked accordingly. Hot tip, once the bike is racked, take your helmet off, get yourself organised for the 21.1 kilometre Hoka run. Throw on the shoes, pick up your hydration, pick up your nutrition, and then you can leave the iconic beachside transition here in St Kilda. Get ready for that 21.1k run. The 21.1 kilometre Hoka run is a flat, fast 2-lap course using the beachside pathways of Port Phillip Bay from St Kilda to Brighton. This part of your race is so important you follow your race plan and keep yourself hydrated, so use all of the aid stations on course. Finally, the wonderful volunteers are there to make your day special. Give them a high five, show your love, and thank a volunteer. Here at this race, we also have a team or relay competition. Now this is an awesome chance for you to race with your family, your friends, club mates, workmates, whoever. One thing guaranteed, you will still enjoy the swim, bike, run experience. The swimmer out of the water will enter T1 to meet the cyclist at the rack. He or she will pass the timing chip from swimmer to cyclist. On the return from the cycle, the cyclist will do the same job. Timing chip from cyclist to runner. Once the runner approaches the finish line, meet at the team meeting point where all team members can come down the finish line and celebrate in style. The 1.9 kilometre Roper swim, done. 90 kilometre cycle, done. The 21.1 kilometre Hoka run, done. It is now time to celebrate at your finish line. Here at the beautiful Catani Gardens, the finish line is lined with palm trees. Team members, come down with your buddies and enjoy the race finish experience. Ladies and gentlemen, we can't wait to see you here at beautiful St Kilda, home of the GWM IRONMAN 70.3 Melbourne, city racing at its best.